What if I told you there is a way to run the most powerful AI models on Earth without sending a single piece of your data to the cloud? No Google tracking you, no OpenAI logging your prompts, no corporate servers storing your business secrets. This is Agent Zero, and it is about to change how you think about AI tools forever. My name is Paul James, and I help freelancers and small business owners turn free AI into real leverage. And today, I am showing you something that blows every other AI agent out of the water. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's what nobody is talking about. Every time you use ChatGPT, your data goes to OpenAI servers. Every time you use Claude, Anthropic logs it. Even the coding agents everyone loves send your code to the cloud. But Agent Zero runs 100% locally on your machine inside something called a Docker container. Think of it like this. You get a complete operating system that can do literally anything a computer can do. But it lives in a protective bubble on your hardware. Nothing escapes. Nothing gets tracked. Your client files stay yours, your business data stays locked down, and you still get to use the smartest AI models available. Now, before you think this sounds complicated, let me break down how simple the setup actually is. You download Docker Desktop, which is free. You pull the Agent Zero image with one command. You connect an API key from any provider you want, and you are running. The whole process takes maybe 10 minutes if you have never touched Docker before, 5 minutes if you follow the steps. Then you have a private AI agent that can handle anything you throw at it. Most people have no clue this exists. They think privacy means giving up power. Agent Zero proves that wrong. Here is where things get wild. Agent Zero has full access to every Linux command and library ever created. We are talking millions of tools built over decades. You do not need to install special extensions or connect servers or fiddle with settings. You just tell it what you need in plain English and it figures out the rest. Let me paint you a picture. You are a freelance designer. A client sends you 30 product photos that need backgrounds removed, shadows added, and specific dimensions. Normally, you open Photoshop, process each one manually, maybe 2 hours of work. With Agent Zero, you drag all 30 files in, type one sentence, and walk away. 3 minutes later, you have 30 perfectly edited images ready to deliver. That is the total automation framework. One prompt, unlimited complexity, zero manual labor. Now let me show you why this matters for your business. Most freelancers compete on price because they cannot compete on speed. You are stuck doing manual work while agencies with teams crush you on turnaround time. Agent Zero flips that script completely. Imagine offering document processing services. Businesses drown in PDFs, invoices, financial statements. They need analysis, categorization, visual reports. A traditional bookkeeper charges hundreds per month and takes days to deliver. You install Agent Zero, connect it to a powerful AI model, and process an entire quarter of accounting data in under 5 minutes. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. Here is what businesses actually pay for. Financial clarity audits typically run around $300 to $500. Someone takes their bank statements, receipts, whatever messy files they have, creates professional category breakdowns, builds visual charts, identifies spending patterns. Work that used to require days now gets delivered in 24 hours. Clients see value worth thousands because they get clarity fast. This is where everything clicks. You are not selling software. You are selling speed, insight, and peace of mind. Agent Zero is your invisible force multiplier. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me show you another angle. Video content creation eats time. You shoot footage, you need it compressed, reformatted, time-lapsed for social media. Normally, you need Adobe Premiere, which costs money and requires skills you might not have. Agent Zero handles all of it. You give it raw footage and simple instructions. It outputs exactly what you need in any format. Content optimization packages sell in the $400 to $600 range, taking long-form videos and turning them into 10 different formats for different platforms. The market pays for this because businesses need multi-platform presence but lack the time or expertise to create it themselves. Here is the part most people miss. Big agencies sell on their tool stack. They brag about expensive software licenses. But Agent Zero runs on Docker Desktop, which is completely free. You download one file, run one command, and you have capabilities that match $1,000 software suites. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The privacy angle is not just a feature, it is a selling point. Businesses are terrified of data breaches. They know cloud tools log everything. When you tell a client their sensitive files never leave your secure local environment, that builds trust instantly. Compliance-focused services command premium rates. Medical practices, law firms, financial advisors need document processing but cannot risk uploading sensitive files to random AI tools. These services typically price between $700 and $1,500 per project depending on document volume. The value is time savings plus total confidentiality. Here is where the leverage compounds. Agent Zero creates specialized sub-agents for different tasks. You give it a complex job like analyzing competitor websites for weaknesses, it spawns a cybersecurity specialist agent that knows exactly which tools to use and in what order. You do not need to be an expert in anything. You just need to know what outcome the client wants. Agent Zero figures out how to get there. This is how solo operators compete with teams of specialists. Let me give you a real scenario. Local business owner needs their entire image library updated. Different sizes, formats, watermarks added, 300 images. Manually, this is days of work. Hiring someone costs hundreds. This type of batch image processing work typically runs $500 to $800 with a 48-hour turnaround. The actual work time required is maybe 30 minutes spread across reviewing batches. Most people never realize this part. The business owner sees a professional who delivered fast and flawlessly. They have no idea automation was involved. And that is fine. They are paying for the result, not the method. Now here is what stacking services looks like. Complete digital asset packages that bundle website file optimization, document processing, and visual content creation typically sell between $1,200 and $2,000. Businesses pay for comprehensive solutions rather than piecemeal work. Picture how much easier content creation becomes once this becomes your normal. You stop trading time for money. You start selling solutions backed by invisible automation. This is not just about making money though. This is about building a business with actual leverage. When I was starting out in my brother's garage with no budget, I would have killed for something like this. Tools that let you punch way above your weight class without needing venture capital or a trust fund. Agent Zero runs on your hardware. You control the AI models it uses. Want to use the most powerful models like Claude Opus? Connect an API key? Want to keep everything offline with local models? Install Ollama and run it all on your machine with zero external connections. The flexibility is unmatched, and the cost structure creates massive margins. You are not paying monthly platform fees. You are not locked into subscriptions. You pay for actual usage, which is pennies compared to what these services command in the market. Here's what implementing this looks like. Someone lands a few document automation clients, maybe some content optimization work, perhaps a specialized data analysis project. These services range from $400 to $1,500 depending on complexity. The AI costs across typical projects run under $50 total. The time investment varies, but automation handles the heavy execution. That is leverage. That is how you build a service business that scales without hiring a team or renting office space or buying expensive software licenses. Agent Zero is open source. Everything lives on GitHub. You can inspect every line of code. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is collecting your data in the background. This is the opposite of the black box tools everyone else uses. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. The people who win in 2026 are the ones who stop watching and start implementing. Most people will see this video and think it sounds cool. A small percentage will actually install Agent Zero and test it. An even smaller group will turn it into real business opportunities. You get to choose which group you are in. The tools exist. The clients need solutions. All that is missing is someone resourceful enough to connect the dots. That someone can be you.